you all are well and enjoy your summer holidays. Now we will continue with first term. First we will discuss syllabus. Second chapter skeleton system. Third food and health. Ninth work and energy. 11th simple machine. These chapters are included in the first term. And today in this video we will start chapter skeletal system. In skeletal system, in the starting they have shown 4 figures of different animal skeletal. First diagram, it is skeletal system of bird. Second, frog. Third, dinosaur. Fourth, snake. We know that our body is made up of cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. Cells of same kind, when joined together they form tissue, and tissue when they join together they form organ, and the organ together organ system. And in human body or even in animals we have many organ systems like digestive system, nervous system, skeletal system, which we discuss in this chapter, muscular system, circulatory system, reproductive system, and many more. Now in this chapter they have given the same thing, that your body is made up of cells. Cells of same kind join together to form tissue. Tissues together form organ. Organ together form different organ system. And we have different organ system in our body that work in coordination with each other for the smooth functioning of your body. Now in this table they have given different body system with their main organs and their function. First they discuss nervous system, in which brain, nerves, spinal cord included, and function, control all function of the body. Skeleton system, main organ, bones, function, give shape to the body, help in movement. Muscular system, muscles, help in movement. Circulatory system, blood, blood vessels, heart, carries blood and oxygen to all parts of the body, collect waste material. Digestive system, teeth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and function, digest food. Respiratory system, organs are nose, lungs, and function, absorb oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Excretory system, kidney, skin, they move waste from the body. Reproductive system, different in males and females, produces young ones. Now we will discuss with skeleton system. Skeleton system, it is made up of bones. Without skeleton system, our body would have no shape. So the bones in our body can be compared to the bricks that give support to the house. Adult human has 206 bones. Underline it. At birth, you had more bones. But as he grew, the bones joined together and become longer and longer. So you can see skeleton system. They labeled different bones. Skull, facial bones, teeth, then shoulder bones, upper arm bone or humerus, forearm bones, thigh bone or femur, shin bone, collarbone, ankle bones, similarly foot bones, metatarsals, kneecap, finger bones, metacarpals, wrist, hip bone, backbone, rib cage, breastbone, collarbone, jawbone. What is the function of the skeleton? Give shape and support to the body. Protect delicate organs. In our body, heart, liver, lungs, such sort of delicate organs are present. For their protection, we need the help of skeleton system, or God give us the protection by the skeleton system. Help to bring about movement with the help of muscle attached to the bones. That's why you are able to run, you are able to sit, sleep. Any movement or flexibility of your body is due to the skeleton system only. You can do this activity yourself. You can touch your hand to the bone, lie under the skin. You feel hard. Then we are able to find out where is the long bone of our body and where is the short bone of our body. Now bones of your body are made up of calcium and phosphorus. Underline these two. Bones are not solid. They are filled with the bone marrow. Bone marrow is a site for the production of red blood cells. In the diagram they shown bone marrow where red blood cells are produced. The bones of our body are living and have rich supply of blood vessels and nerves. Parts of human skeleton. Before that we will read this fact. Antlers of deer are bones that grow from the skull and they are shed every year. Now we will start with the parts of human skeleton. The skull. Skull is a bony case that make your head and face region. It protect the brain and give shape to the face. It made up of 22 bones. How many bones? 22 bones. Underline it. 8 bones that made the skull. 14 bones make the face. Lower jaw is only movable part of the skull. It enables us or you to chew food and speak. Blow your mind, why does a doctor take an X-ray of the bone? To see or locate exact position of bone. In this video we will discuss up to the skull. You have to read this chapter and learn different organ system given in the table and function of the skeleton system.